this is the one you've been waiting for. Let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, it's here, Caudabe Sheath for the 16 Pro Max. One of my most favourite cases for the iPhone. It is here. I have been patiently waiting for it to arrive and let's get into it. Well, you may or may not be aware, but I'm actually already using the Caudabe Sheath on my 16 Pro Max because when it arrived, it was literally, I need to check this out straight away. And I haven't took it off since. So that's why there's no unboxing for the grey one here. I have the other colours here, but the grey one was instantly opened and put on my phone. So let's check it out. So yeah, there it is, natural titanium, and it is just absolutely stunning. So this is the grey one here. So we'll just quickly take this off just to do the weighing. And it is weighing in at 50 grams. And then quickly we will just weigh. There's the black version, 50 grams. And we'll just weigh the celestial blue, which is lovely as well, 50 grams. Like, talk about consistency. I'm so happy for these cases, I really am. I've been using the grey version and as you can see, they have maintained their absolute quality here. So we've got this lovely microfiber lining, genuine Caudabe product made from their Shocklight material. Now it's a TPU case, but it is a little bit more rigid than it was last year. Like, there is a bit of flex in it, but I kind of felt the last year's version was a lot more flexible. This is just nice. This is just nice. And of course, Caudabe have upgraded the buttons. We have these color matched metal buttons. So the grey gets the grey buttons, the black gets the black, and the blue gets the blue. And they are lovely. They are really, really nice. I'm just going to pop my natural titanium iPhone back into the sheath. And let's just test these buttons. So, perfect. Just absolutely perfect. Clicky, tactile, no issues. And then we have our cutout here for the camera control. So it is solid up here and quite firm. So you can see there pressing it. It doesn't really move all that much, which is what you want to see. You've got that support, and then it's tapered off down at the bottom. So when you put your finger in, it will work. So if we just try that. There we go. And we'll just try the, yeah, there we go. You can get your finger in there, you can do those haptics and you can click it with no issues. Great job. Really good job. I know the camera cutout is a bit of an annoying thing for people because I know Apple do the sapphire crystal buttons. Caudabe I have had chats with Caudabe. Caudabe have said that they put a lot of research into the cutouts on the cases, and they tried a lot of different variants before they settled on what they put out on the case, which is pretty good. Whether they plan to do a button or not, I don't know, I can't say, but this, as far as cutouts go, it's really, really good. So yeah, we've got that lovely sheath texture, which is lovely and grippy and doesn't pick up fingerprints and stuff. It's really, really easy to live with, and it's so easy to hold. It's nice, it's got good grip. Then that texture goes all the way around, so you get it all the way around the phone, which is great. On the bottom then we've got our cutouts for our USB-C and our speakers and our microphone. No issues there at all. Really, really good job, and it does not disappoint. It is literally one of my most favorite cases. And last year I felt that they color matched really well. Like the celestial blue for the blue 15 Pro Max, I felt they color matched really, really well. This with the natural titanium is just really nice. But I'll put the other colors on the phone a bit later. So we'll just do a fitment test then. So we'll just take the corners of the phone, we'll just give it a twist, and as you would expect, the phone is secure in there. There's the case is not lifting at the corners or anything like that. That's what you want to see. Good quality material, and it is firm and it holds the phone in there perfectly. Absolutely great. No faults there at all. And if we just do a screen lip then, so if we look at the screen lip does come up over the display and it is equal all the way around. That's what you want to see consistently. Fantastic. So you set that down flat and it lifts the phone up off the surface. That's what you want to see. And then if you check out the camera guard then, so the lenses don't protrude out. It's a solid TPU guard all the way around the camera lenses. And if you set that down flat, those lenses aren't going to rough up at all. So it's really, really good. So like I say, the feel of this material is a favorite of mine. That is why, like, as an everyday all wearing case, I mean, it looks really, really good, but it also is hard wearing and it maintains, and I cannot fault it whatsoever. And just to show, there's my S24 Ultra, and that is how my S24 Ultra is holding up. So I have been using this case solid on my S24 Ultra and I absolutely love it. No issues, as you can see. It's practically like new, you know. Matchy matchy, look at that. Stunning, just beautiful. And of course it is a Magsafe case, so we can do a Magsafe test. So let's do it. Caudabe's magnets have been really good over the past couple of years. I don't expect them to be any different here, so let's just check it out. Yeah, look at that. Not a problem at all. Stand is holding onto the phone is holding onto the weight of the stand. The stand weighs over 200 grams. That's perfect. It's as it should be. It's as it should be. And then if we just plug in the Magsafe stand there and we'll just do a Magsafe charging test. No problem at all. Charging without issue. Gets its charge through the case. There's no interference, no drops. That's what you want to see. Like I say, I have been using this case solid since I got it. I use Magsafe chargers at night beside my bed and stuff. No issues. Perfect. So yeah, that is the Caudabe Sheath in the natural titanium, but I will put the other cases on. So we do have the black and we do have the celestial blue, so we'll just check them out as well. So there's the black, and again, the consistency of these cases is just on point. There's nothing different across the board. These are all really, really good. I mean, that's the black with the natural titanium, and you know what? That's really nice as well. Really, really nice. Buttons, perfect. Camera control, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Just really, really nice case. Just lovely. Pop on the celestial blue, and there we go. If you follow me on my social media, if you don't, you can find it in the description down below. But I had the blue titanium 15 Pro Max last year, and I rocked the blue phone with the grey case, and I was like, it gives kind of like 70 Batman vibes with the grey and blue. This is the opposite. So this is the blue with the grey, and it's really nice as well. I really like that. And yeah, again, there we are with our metal buttons. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Camera control. Yeah, no issues there with that at all. Click, click, click. Camera roll's filling up with all these photographs. But yeah, absolutely perfect. So that is that. So what do you guys think of the new Caudabe Sheath for the 16 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments down below. My final thoughts, this case, it's already easily in my top 10 straight away. It is absolutely fantastic. It is a guaranteed pickup every single year, and I cannot fault this enough. Caudabe, top notch. You are absolutely killing it. And to answer your question, yes, synthesis will be coming, as will the Paragon. The new Paragon cases will be coming as well, so stay tuned for that coming. If you are looking to pick any of these cases up, I will leave you affiliate links in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel. They don't cost you guys any more money, so if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support, much appreciated. But that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more content coming, so stay tuned. I have more content coming for the 16 Pro Max. I have more stuff for the S24 Ultra, and I might have some other stuff coming soon, so stay tuned. If you like EVs, you know what I'm saying, just stay tuned. If you are looking for some more down-to-earth tech review and accessories, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. like, how can you pick between these? It's like picking your favorite child. You know what I mean? It's like, how?